Let me show you guys this unit that Osee sent me. This is their travel Osee GoStream kit. Now it comes in this case that you guys can see here. So let me switch over to this angle here. So it comes in the case. It comes with the actual GoStream itself. It comes with the monitor that's built into it. And this case is pretty cool because it's really an all-in-one case. Now I'm still working on the full video for you guys, so stay tuned for that, but it is ready to go now. It's released right now on Amazon and you can check it out. Now the case itself here, it actually has a power button because there's multiple ways that you can power this on, and I'll show you in the back here. One of the ways is actually right here. I'm using a portable charger, so this is just one way of powering it on. It actually has an on-off button for the fan, so if you're using this on a hot day, you can turn that on, and the fan's actually right here. There's an input for microphone 1 right here. There's an input for your headphones right here. You have the Osee GoStream right here in the front. There's a slot here for your SD cards because the SD card for this device is actually on the front of it. So there's a slot here that they built for your SD card, which is pretty cool. On the side here, you have some mounting holes here for putting on like a camera, a light, wherever you want to put on here. So it's actually on here on this side, and it's actually on the other side as well. So on both sides, and then under the bottom, there's a mounting bracket as well. On the back of the case, you have all your inputs for your HDMI inputs. You have your HDMI output. You have an Ethernet connection. Mic 2 is back there, and the different power options. So you can plug in a physical cable here. You can use DC power over here. There's a USB-C out over here. Now, I'm still working on the video, but this is pretty cool. They said, hey, content is ready to be released about this device. So if you're looking for an all-in-one device for your live streaming, the Osee GoStream kit is now available. So definitely something to check out.